Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make monkey bars with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's start with the top of our monkey bars with a number 2 cross-axle extender. I'm going to take a Technic pin with stud, place that in, and a 2 stud long cross-axle. Now, I want to make 2 of these. I want to take a stick with tube, place this right here. Another one of these, we're going to stick this portion of the stick inside the Technic pin. We're going to make 4 of these. We're going to stick these end to end. Now this is going to form up the top portion of the monkey bars. Everything's a bit unstable right now, so just take your time and it'll start strengthening up once we get our sides built. So we're just going to push that down in there, and on the right hand side a set of 2 stud long cross axles to form up the top of our monkey bars. For the side support, start with a 2 stud long cross axle extender. I'm going to place a set of 2 stud long cross axles on both ends and a set of number 1 cross axle extenders. We're going to place these on the cross axles. For legs, we're going to take a set of 2x2 round plates, stack these on top of one another. Then I'm going to take a 2x2 round flat tile with a hole, place that right there, and a 4 stud long cross axle. We're going to set that right inside the hole. I want to make 2 of these. Then I'm going to place this on as shown. And to secure all that together, 4 bushings, 2 on the left and 2 on the right hand side. This is going to secure the legs to the lower climbing bar. I think that's what it's called. Then take a 2 stud long cross axle extender. I'm going to place a 2 stud long cross axle inside. I want to make 2 of these. I'm going to place these right on top. These are going to be the upper supports. Let's slide this off to the side. I'm going to take a number 6 right angle cross axle extender. I'm going to place a Technic pin with stud right inside. I want to make 2 of these. I'm going to take another stick with tube, place this right here. I'm going to place this right here where the stud portion is facing inward. Now, we're going to have to rotate some stuff here a bit, so just going to lock this in place to form up the side. We're going to need to make 2 of these. Now let's set our monkey bars into our side supports. Just slips right in place, and you still want to be careful because this thing's a bit fragile until we put the sides on, because this is actually going to lock all that together. I'll place the other end as shown. It's a very strong, sturdy, rigid set of monkey bars.